Here I have NUBIA Red Magic 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photo radio, and basically on this device you only have two different resolutions. You have just like normal recommended resolution or 64 megapixels ultra high resolution, which you can set here, or just normal recommended resolution. All other which are below these 4 and 3 resolutions, they are much lower than these ones. Like this one is 64, this one I guess maybe 30 something, and these ones will be less than 10 for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.